Good day and welcome back to Ginger's Kitchen. Well, today I'm making, I called it a Pilgrim Muffuletta. It's not a Muffuletta in the traditional sense. My husband is 100% Italian and I'm pretty much almost 100% English. My ancestors came from the Mayflower actually, which is why I called it a Pilgrim Muffuletta. Now, first off, you have to start with a really good roll. And these are from a bakery, an Italian bakery locally that have been doing, I think they've been baking for probably close to 100 years, if not more. I've never found any rolls that I like as well as these, and couple of the local delis do sell the rolls separate from the actual sub sandwich. And actually, in some cases, they're less than the store-bought rolls and so delicious. Now, this deli that I purchased the rolls from has an amazing antipasta salad. It's an artichoke antipasta salad. It has red peppers. It has all kinds of great ingredients and an amazing dressing. First, I piled on the artichoke salad and extra dressing on the other side of the roll. And then, because it's a Pilgrim Muffuletta, I used a really good roast turkey. Now, on top of the salad, I placed roast turkey, and I'm using Sargento aged cheddar cheese because it is a Pilgrim Muffuletta. Now, I can't stress enough to start out with a good roll. When you're making these, what makes them delicious is the good ingredients. We have a local deli that actually roasts their own deli meat. And here is a picture of that gorgeous artichoke salad as well. And there's the Sargento cheese. That's a very, very tasty aged cheddar. Now, another cheese that I love is Stella's Fontanella cheese. Not Fontina, it's a Fontanella cheese, and I love that cheese. And you'd have to, it comes on a wheel, so you'd have to slice it and put it on this, but it would be amazing. So again, to recap, that's a really good roll, a really good artichoke salad, and some good cheddar cheese and some good roast turkey, and this sandwich was delicious. My family went crazy over it. For my next video, stay tuned because I'm going to do a more traditional muffuletta, and I'm going to do it low carb. Wait till you see that one. So here is the finished sandwich, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you come back for the low carb muffuletta. Please like and subscribe and come back. Until next time.